On a design for a custom client, a repeat client that we adore, who has a very unusual style. It's more rustic meets Americana, so she has very specific style on her furniture pieces. She knows what she likes but needs help with bringing it together. So what we have for here is, this may look a little contemporary, but she's wanting to add some elements in her bathroom with rustic pieces. So we have a rustic tile with a lot of distressing here that we're possibly looking at an option to go with a little bit matte mix and match style, so it still has rustic meets a little bit more modern, primitive, I guess. And then this option here, really love, we're looking at this tile also in her bathroom. So we've got two design options here with another set to go around her shower. And we must say, we've absolutely been loving Shaw tile. Shaw's been kind of our go-to here recently on the tile. I feel like they've got some really modern, updated looks that aren't too modern for our area because we're in eastern New Mexico. So it's nice that we can kind of hold on to our New Mexico heritage as well. These cabinets are from Shiloh Cabinetry. They're a great,
doesn't look like a cabinet, but it's a little sample here.
Cabinet, and we really like working with the small blocks. And we're kind of thinking keeping everything semi-monochromatic with some little elements of brown to kind of bring it in and bring in that rustic flair. And then we liked the more modern colors and doing a rustic distressing on the top to kind of tie the two styles together.
So what we're working with is the client's home's really rustic, and I think rustic can get too brown, too heavy, too woodsy, if you will, and that's currently what's happening in this home. So there's ways to add a sense of rusticness, but keeping a paint color, keeping it fresh and modernizing it.
So this is a flooring that we like, and it's another good example of how rustic can meet something a little more modern. So the chevron pattern, I think, is much more modern element, and then the tile is all rustic, heavily distressed, really fun.
And I think the trick is we're doing an addition to her home. So currently the flooring she has are these cool brick pavers, if you will. So we need to make sure that the flooring can tie in with the brick pavers. So we're gonna take this to the client's home. Our plan is to do 2 rows of a brick paver and inlay this in a herringbone pattern for her dining room area so that the addition looks purposeful and identify the space without keeping the flooring the same throughout the house.
So stay tuned for more to come. This is what we're calling
we're deeming this the Americana house. So Americana meets primitive, and stay tuned, we're really excited. It's a big remodel and hope to bring you more.